Type here KGKC library, then search. This is our library website. You have to click here. This is the home page of our library website. This is our library website. This is the home page of our library website. You can look here. Whenever the college organize any program, we uploaded here latest photos on our library website. These are the new arrivals. You have to click here and search whatever the new books available in our library. This is the viewer count. Increase the viewers day by day. Now we are looking about the library. This is the few lines for our college development, for our library development. This is our library collection. We have books 12,495, book bank scheme books 5,030. We subscribe journals, periodicals 39. In our library, we subscribe 8 newspapers, that is 3 are in English and 5 are in Marathi, that is Times of India, Indian Express, Economic Times, Lokmat, Loksatta, Maharashtra Times, Raigad Times and Sakal. We have CDs, DVDs, that is 343. This is about our library. Now this icon is for book bank scheme. Those students who enroll for the scheme of book bank scheme, they can click here and they can download membership form from this icon. Here is our library advisory committee members. This is the download of membership form for to become the member of book bank scheme facility. This is the form you have to download. You have to take the print of this form and fill all the fields, student signature here, and submit this form along with the attested copy of caste certificate. Then you will get the book bank scheme facility books which is available in our library. This is icon for new arrivals of book bank scheme. Whenever new books is available in our library, then we put here the digital repository here, which books new available in our library. You can look from here. These are the new arrivals of book bank scheme. Those students who are studying about competitive exams, the icon is here, competitive exam. You have to press here. All types of competitive exams links are available here. You can click here. Look here, these are the various exams, just like UPSC, ICS exam, IBPS, UGC NetSet. Just like different exams are available, you have to click here. If anybody studies about UPSC, they can click here. The UPSC website will be arrived here. You click here for the UPSC website. Look here, the library organize such kind of very good information to you. This is the Union Public Service Commission website. Here you can view, you can search latest information of Union Public Service Commission, like when the exam will be arrived, what is the syllabus of pre-IAS, main IAS, etc. The others all activities. Click here for job. If any articles we find here, we put here about job. If you want to contact with our library, this is the contact number of our library. This is the contact number of our library, 8237383247. This is the email of our library, kgkclibraryasc@gmail.com. This is the website of our college, kgkc.co.in. You can contact whatever if you need. Afterwards, this is the current contents of journals. We subscribe different journals in our library, almost all subjects which is teaches in the college. For example, if you click here, then all the content page which we subscribe the journals, we put here, scan the content page and put here for the current content of journals. This is the digital repository. Built for you. Nowadays the need of e-books. The list of all e-books suppliers. This is the free e-books. Links are available. You can click here and take the books to read. Not only books, the video lectures are also available, and it is freely. Free Marathi novels books are available. Free Marathi books, e-books are available. 1300 mathematical formulas also available. These all are free to you. You can open and take any e-book to read. Nowadays the COVID-19 is there. In the period, you have to go to e-books, e-journals, and this is very dynamic site for you. Now we are looking about e-journals. This is the e-journals. You have to click here. The list of open access journals which is available here. You look here. There are so many links are available of open access journals. This is also digital repository which is provided by our library. This is the best service. You have to click here for any journal. This is the N list. which is which provides by University Grants Commission, National Library and Information Service, infrastructure of scholarly content. This InfLibNet is located at Ahmedabad. This is the UGC program which is organized for colleges, universities in India. We are the member of the N list. You have to click here. There are huge amount of N number of e-journals, e-books, etc. which is available in the N list, National Library and Information Service infrastructure available at Ahmedabad. Such kind of best practice also available here. If any researcher wants to check his or her article before the publication in the journal, they can check here the plagiarism, whatever the copyright material will be sort out here. This is the free plagiarism checker here for anybody who doing the research. This is the Library Advisory Committee. These are the members of Library Advisory Committee. This is the library feedback form. You have to take the feedback form from here before the leaving our college. You have to fill up the feedback form here. This is the feedback form which is available here. You have to fill up all the fields just like name, class, which class you are studied here. You have to submit feedback form before taking the no due certificate in from our library. You have to fill up all the fields just like you are the regular user of library. Then yes, do you read the newspaper regularly? Yes. If yes, which paper do you read here? Do you use the reference books facility? You have to write here yes. Whether these all the fields you have to feed. This is the feedback form of our library. These are the following services we provided. If you are the member of book bank scheme, you have to click here. Otherwise you don't click here. If you are the golden facility card, take the service, you have to click here. All reference service, book bank scheme service, reading room facility service, current awareness service, whatever you want, you can look here. If you have any suggestion, then you give your suggestion, and you have to submit the feedback form. After feedback form, we are looking, these are the few rules for library. These few rules are there to run smoothly. These are the faculty members, those who can borrow the books from library. Arts faculty Monday, Thursday, commerce faculty Tuesday and Friday, science Wednesday and Saturday, BSc IT Wednesday and Friday. Then MSc, MCom and PhD students, they can borrow books Monday to Saturday. This is the few rules for our students. you can look from the website of our library. This is the library staff. Dr. Sadgurunath Gaikwad, librarian. Then Shri Rakesh Kadu, library attendant. Shri P.U. Rathod, library attendant. Shri Krutarth Pradhan, library attendant. Shri Vitthal Padir, library attendant. This is the library staff. Without the library team, we could not run the library smoothly. Afterwards, this is the e-nodules. You can generate e-nodules from here. There is no need to physically come to the library and take the nodules from our library. Just you have to go to website and fill up the e-nodules request here. The nodules request you have to fill here, write down your name, write your class, which class you are studied here, FIBA, SYBA, TYBA, just like in which class you have studied last year, academic year, roll number, write your library card number. Then you are the member of library any facility, just like book bank scheme, you have to click here. This is the golden facility card, you have to click here. Such kind of facilities you are taking from library, just like girls facilities there, they borrow one more extra book from library. This WhatsApp number you have to give here, your mobile number, you have to give here your correct email ID. Therefore we can send the nodule certificate on your WhatsApp or either your email. Then you can take the print from anywhere and submit that nodule certificate in college. Then you will get the mark sheet or any other your just like cancellation of admission, etc. And you have to contact with librarian. Just you contact to the librarian and send about that we have fill up the request. You have to contact here to the librarian 8237383247, or you have to email here and just say that we have submitted the feedback form as well as we have submitted the e-nodule certificate request form. You please send us the nodule certificate on my email or WhatsApp. Then we will send to you nodule certificate on your email. This is the notice. Whenever any notice will be there, we put here the notice. We have the golden facility students. They can click here and see their list, availability of their golden facility cards members are there. Whenever new list will be available, we are upload here the latest golden facility card list. Such kind of service which is given by our library, you have to search the library website. Old question papers also kept here. This is our digital repository, arts, science, commerce, these all the question papers uploaded here. This is the syllabus for University of Mumbai. UG students, PG students can click here and take the latest syllabus from university. The last one is the web opac. This is a very good service to the students, the users of our library. You have to click here. This is our library web opac. This is the best service to search the whatever resources, just like books, reference books, CDs, whatever you want to search availability in the library. You have to search here. This is the icons. You have to click here for search. Then you have to go to the range of 30. If you want to search any book, just like if you want to search any book, you have to take your title here. You can search by title, by author, by accession number, by subject, class number, publisher, etc. You have to search here the title. If anybody wants organic chemistry, they can write here organic chemistry. Then you have to click here for search. Whatever books available in our library regarding the organic chemistry, the records will be available here. Organic, inorganic, such kind of books, those you want. If you want this book, this is the organic chemistry book. This is the organic chemistry book. You have to click here and take all the subfields available here. This is the call number. You have to click here. All the details will be available here. The title, author, publisher, year of publication, pages. These are the accession number available here. This is the class number. You have to write on slip and produce to the library attendant, library staff. They will help to search the record book and which will proceed to you, which will give as early as possible to you. This is the member status. You have to write your library card number, and then you can search what books you have borrowed from the library. This is the new request. Whatever books you want to makes order for our library, you have to fill up all the fields: author, title, publisher, year of publication, ISBN number. Whatever your request is there, you can write here and submit the button. Then we will collect your request and makes available of your resources as early as possible. This is the library web opac. Now we are looking last one. This is the yoga and health related books. E-books are also available on our library website. You have to click here, and whatever materials you want, you can download from here. This is the very good practice of our library website. Please, you have to visit. Thank you for watching the video.